Welcome back to another video. So in this video I am going to talk about a recent fun thing which I recently done. To give you a quick context, there is one software called Confluence by Atlassian, and the software is generally used by enterprise companies to maintain their documentation. And from past 2 3 years I have been using this as my personal notes thing. So I document my learnings and anything sort of to keep track of my notes in the software. What I was thinking from past couple of days to have some backup of this software. Let me quickly show you one thing. So if you see, this is how Confluence looks. So I have some notes related to system design, some Java related concepts, something like this. So what I wanted to do was to keep a markdown files for each of these pages in my GitHub repo. So that was the high level idea. And I recently got to know about this another software called Obsidian. So this is also used to take some notes and have cool plugins like calendar, graphs, and all those. One thing is I should have backup, and another thing is maybe migration from Confluence to this Obsidian. So to do that, I took off ChatGPT, and it suggested me to have some automation sort of thing which can back up my Confluence pages, maybe daily or weekly basis, and push it to the repo. This was the high level, and I'll quickly show you how the setup is done from my side. So I first created a repo called this Confluence backup, and in this repo there is one Python script which basically, if I show you chat. Okay, this basically calls REST APIs for this Confluence, and via my Confluence URL, email, and API token. And API token we can generate from this manage profile section under security and API tokens. You can generate your API token as well. Once I have these things in a place, I have also passed my space keys, which is like if I have to show you, this is TIL. So TIL is a space key, something like this. So another thing we done is basically fetch all the pages, generate markdown files for those pages, and um, uh, once those markdown are converted, we write it to this path and commit it. One more thing. So this Python script is getting triggered by a workflow. This is nothing but a GitHub action which basically scheduled to run at 2 daily, and this basically setups all the requirement, install the Python dependencies, reads the secret from GitHub secrets, and just that. After that, it creates all the um, pages in temp directory and commits those directly. So this was the uh, change or the workflow which basically does all the job. So if you see, I'll quickly show you the steps as well. So initially checked out the repo, set up Python client, then it installed the required dependencies, then it run this backup uh, script. So this basically fetches all the pages. So these are the pages for different knowledge base and different spaces sort of. So 6 pages is found in TIL. So this is one personal space, so it found these pages as well. It commit and it check out. So what is the benefit of doing all this? I'll quickly, before moving to that, I'll quickly show you how the data looks like. So it created a directory, and inside directory we have a folder for each space. For example, if I go to TIL, and inside TIL we have this TIL home and 2026, nothing but true. TIL home 2026 OS basics. So this was I created today only. In this TIL, this added all the details. So this is how it looks. So maybe a next action item can be I can read this repo from Obsidian. Maybe I can import this, so that will be really helpful. So initially the migration part seems bit tricky, not tricky, but maybe hectic, because I have a lot of pages, lot of notes, so exporting them one by one is not a good idea. That's why I came up with the solution. And yeah, so it is working for now, and maybe we need to update token after a while because it has expiry of a year. And yeah, so that was it. Um, I hope you like this automation, and you can also set up for your own. I think it is really helpful to have some digital notes which you can access anywhere and from any device just via login, via ID and password. So I do use Confluence, and you can try this as well. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.